So this is the third product equipped with Xiaomi's self-developed chip Xuanjie O1. They even crazily brought the well-received cute pet wallpapers from the Xiaomi Small Foldable to the tablet. The mouse of my MacBook Pro directly moved to the Xiaomi Tablet.
This is the Xiaomi Pad 7s Pro that's about to be released. We got super early access. Wow, the silver packaging.
Wow, hey, I'm familiar with this color, a 120 watt Type A charging head. See, I'm telling you, we've seen this color, man, in Xiaomi's tone. What does the official call it? Titanium metallic color, easily refracts light. Everyone, feel this metallic texture, but I think the matte feel on the back of the tablet might be a bit heavier. Of course, the Pad 7s Pro also has a unibody metal design with the Xiaomi logo in the middle, and this upper left part should be for connecting the keyboard. The key point, let's take a look at the camera module on the right. This design is consistent with the Pad 7 Ultra. What I really want to say is about its edges. The edges feel smooth, very textured, really quite nice. I recommend that everyone experience it at my home. Although this is an LCD screen panel, looking at the side of the body, brothers, it's only 5.8 millimeters and it packs a 10,610 milliampere hour large battery. This side holds the stylus and here are the volume buttons. On the left front of the tablet, the power button integrates a side fingerprint unlock. The first thing on the desktop is to experience the screen-to-body ratio of this 12.5-inch 3.2K resolution LCD screen. Everyone feel the bezel? Not sure what you all think. Since it's an LCD screen, it uses full DC dimming, which is naturally easier on the eyes. The screen refresh rate can be adjusted up to a maximum of 144 Hz. Interestingly, this is also based on the CIE 2015 standard, so its color will be quite accurate, and of course, there are professional primary colors. It can also match the color on your laptop and phone screens. What's very interesting about this screen is that, like the Pad 7 Ultra, it has been calibrated at both 100 nits and 700 nits for dual brightness extremes. One more thing to note, there's also an option for a soft light screen. In terms of configuration, it is the same as the Pad 7 Ultra, equipped with a Xuanjie O1 with a main frequency of 3.4 GHz. Yes, the 3nm SoC self-developed by Xiaomi, so it can run Genshin Impact at nearly full frame for 4.5 hours. There's one more thing. It continues the fine tradition of the Pad 7 Ultra by providing a new speaker. Take a listen.
With a good...
The screen speak is an SoC. Ensure your audio-visual experience. What about work? Look here, everyone, PC level WPS and CAD from Pad 7 Ultra, which was very popular, is also available on Xiaomi Pad 7s Pro. Also, it comes with a floating keyboard. Last time we filmed the black one, this time we'll show you the white one. Now I'm attaching the tablet to this keyboard to let you feel the adjustable angle. The floating keyboard is very familiar, right? I don't know if it's just me, but I feel this silver is nicer than the black on my Pad 7 Ultra. On the Pad 7s Pro, it still has this desktop mode. When you open it like this, you see these small windows, how should I put it, instantly transforms into a mini laptop. Frankly speaking, the typing feel of this keyboard is really good. And also, equipped with the Xuanjie O1, this thing is really quite smooth. When we're working, we definitely can't do without transferring files with Apple. The original Xiaomi, we all know, it can directly airdrop with Apple. And this time they went a step further. Xiaomi crazily made a screen extension. What does it mean? Let's click and see. This side shows one interface, and this side shows the interface of your MacBook Pro. Even more outrageous, look at this mouse. I'm using the Max touchpad to operate on the Xiaomi tablet. You can directly drag it back and forth. This really smooths things out. They even went so far as to use Xiaomi Xiaoji's highly praised cute pet wallpaper at the time. Moved it to the tablet again for you. If I'm not mistaken, these should be new, right? Just now, as you all watch the tablet, it shouldn't be hard to notice this app called Xiaomi Car Expansion Screen, right? The tablet is Xiaomi. The official Xiaomi onboard tablet has a newly designed in-car rear seat pad holder set, upgraded to a 45-watt car charger, and supports Type-C charging. When you attach the tablet on top, it automatically switches to car mode. I think it's designed for anticipation, but I insist on demonstrating it on the Su 7 Ultra for everyone.
In summary, I personally think this is just a Pad 7 Ultra with a new LCD screen, but I believe it might have a more suitable price. This tablet is somewhat similar to the positioning of the iPad Air. I wonder if you feel the same, but Xiaomi is more willing to give you better configurations.
Well, when the price comes out, I believe that might be the highlight moment for the Xuanjie O1. Goodbye.